Hello friends, welcome to Prodhat channel. In today's video, we will explain about best hair shampoo for women. Before buying there are few things to consider. Let us jump into the features and factors that need to be considered before buying the products without any delay. The first feature to consider is protein content. Some of the shampoos have naturally added protein contents like keratin and collagen, which is necessary to make your hair look healthy and shiny. Having adequate protein will make sure that you discuss the hair is adequately cured. Try to purchase a shampoo with natural protein content like plant protein and animal based protein rather than artificial chemicals. The next feature to consider is scent. You have to purchase a shampoo with a good perfume, and presentation is also as important as the shampoo quality. The scent can stay in your hair for at least 3 minimum days. When you are purchasing a shampoo, make sure that it has a smell acceptable for your daily usage. The succeeding feature to consider in this list is pH value. The pH value should lie between 7 to 9 in a regular shampoo because a lower level will result in curly hair at the end. The next on hand feature in this list is UV protection. The current climatic condition is not preferable for most people's skin and hair. The best option is to go for a hair product that comes with UV protection. These products are powerful and provide a layer of protection against the harmful sun rays and dust particles that affect your hair when you travel outside. The next factor is antioxidants. The antioxidants are technically responsible for increasing hair growth, and they are also useful for maintaining the collagen within the hair. With the help of a proper set of antioxidants, the hair follicles' connective tissues will be safe, and they protect the blood vessels and scalp from getting damaged. The upcoming factor in this list is fruits and vitamin extracts. Make sure that it has natural fruit extracts rich in vitamins like B3 and B6. The next approaching factor in this list is moisturizer. The shampoo you are purchasing should have a good amount of fatty acids that will improve the moisture content and make your hair free from radical damage. This will also reduce the dryness of your hair. The following feature is the dangling capacity. The best option is to go for a shampoo that can make your hair so soft and moisturized that it will detangle itself without affecting the quality or causing breakage. This particular feature is available in one least certain shampoos, and hence you have to choose it properly. The final feature is to consider is the brand. Every single shampoo is designed perfectly with features that are concentrated on improving the health of your hair. So when you are choosing a shampoo for your lustrous hair, the woman should be careful. After knowing about all the features and factors that need to be considered before purchasing this product, let's now jump into the things that need to be avoided in these specific products. The first thing that must be avoided here is sulfate. The parabene and sulfate are the same, but a good amount of sulfate is acceptable. Try to avoid shampoos with sulfate or a less quantity of sulfate. The second thing that must be avoided here is paraben. Normally, parabene can increase the dryness of your hair and irritate the scalp. So it's always better to escape this particular ingredient. We have selected the top 4 products that are best and available in the current Indian market based on the above listed factors. The first and foremost product in the list is the Sunsilk Stunning Black Shine Shampoo with Amla Pearl Extract. Makes hair looking fuller, moisturized and shiny. 1 liter. The key ingredients of this product are Amla Pearl Extract and Fruit Extract. An approved amount of sulfate for the lather effect. The features of this particular product are: This product comes with amla extract. It has pearl extracts. This product provides a complete feel to the hair. It also improves moisturization. This product does not contain sulfate. To check out the latest pricing details of the product, check the video description box. The following second product in our suggestion list is the Godrej Professional Honey Moisture Shampoo for dry and damaged hair, 250 milliliters. The key ingredients of this product are honey, jojoba, olive and wheat germ. An approved amount of sulfate for the lather effect. The features of this particular product are: this product comes with a honey mixture for softness. Also, it makes your hair look fuller. It reduces the hair fall. This is a sulfate-free product. To check out the latest pricing details of the product, check the video description box. The forthcoming product in the list is Tresemme Smooth and Shine Shampoo with vitamin H and silk protein for salon silky smooth hair, provides moisture and shine, 580 milliliters. The key ingredients of this product are vitamin H and silk protein. An approved amount of sulfate for the lather effect. The features of this particular product are: this contains vitamin H for extra shine. It has special silk protein to improve the look. Offers a salon-style look. And retains the moisture content on the hair. To check out the latest pricing details of the product, check the video description box. The final product in our bucket is Wow Apple Cider Vinegar No Parabens and Sulfate Shampoo, 300 ml. The key ingredients of this product are apple cider vinegar. The variations that are available in this product: almond oil, argan oil and betaine. The features of this particular product are: this is made up of natural apple cider for special looks. This product contains vinegar and a natural conditioner. It has a perfect scent and prices are good. This product offers salon-style hair for your special appearance. To check out the latest pricing details of the product, check the video description box. We have selected the top 3 products that are best and available in the current global market based on the above listed factors. The first and foremost product in the list is the Pure Biology Hair Growth Stimulating Shampoo with biotin, keratin, natural DHT blockers, vitamins B plus E, and breakthrough anti-hair loss complex for thinning damaged hair for men and women. The key ingredients of this product are natural oils and extracts. The variations that are available in this product: keratin and permitted amount of sulfate. The features of this particular product are: this product is used for improving the volume of the hair and preventing breakage. It stimulates the growth of the hair in both men and women. This does not contain parabene and silicone. To check out the latest pricing details of the product, check the video description box. The following second product in our suggestion list is the Pantene Shampoo and Sulfate-Free Conditioner Kit, parabene and dye-free, Provi Blends, Soothing Rose Water, 17.9 fluid ounces, twin pack. The key ingredients of this product are soothing rose water. The variations that are available in this product: glycolic acid, citric acid, and argan oil. The features of this particular product are: this improves the structure of the hair and makes it blend together for increased volume. This product does not have any harsh chemicals like parabene and sulfate. To check out the latest pricing details of the product, check the video description box. The forthcoming product in the list is OGX Thick and Full Plus Biotin and Collagen Extra Strength Volumizing Shampoo with vitamin B7 and hydrolyzed wheat protein for fine hair. Sulfate-free surfactants for thicker, fuller hair, 13 fluid ounces. The key ingredients of this product are vitamin B7 and wheat protein. The variations that are available in this product: bamboo fiber extract, biotin, and collagen. The features of this particular product are: it helps you obtain a voluminous, healthy looking hair. This reduces thinning and does not have parabens and silicones. To know more details about the pricing details of these products, visit the link given in the video description box. To know more details, check out our blog. The link is provided in the video description box. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel for more videos.